Today we shall start with try these on page 129. The topic is triangle and its properties. In the first figure, what is given is it's a right angled triangle, and in which perpendicular, that is P, is given 3, base is given 4, and hypotenuse is given x. Okay, now according to Pythagoras property, h square is equal to p square plus b square. So now here h is x, so this becomes x square, and p here is 3, so p square means 3 square, and here b is given 4, so b square is 4 square. Okay, now 3 square means 3 into 3, which is 9, and 4 square means 4 into 4, which is 16, and 9 plus 16 is 25. So we get x square is equal to 25. Now we take the prime factorization of 25 here. 25, 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. So 5 into 5 is what? 5 square. So we get here x square is equal to 5 square. Now there is a rule that if the powers are same, we can delete the powers. So we will get x is equal to 5. Alright. Now coming to the second part. Here you see what is given here. P means perpendicular is given 6. Base is given 8. And hypotenuse is given x. Now similarly, according to Pythagoras property, what is there? X square is equal to p square plus b square, that is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now h is x, so we write here x square. P is 6, so we write here 6 square, and b is 8, so we write here 8 square. Now 6 square is 100, and 8 square, sorry, I'm so sorry, 6 square is 36, and 8 square is 64. So x square is equal to what? 36 plus 64, which is equal to 100. Now let us take here the prime factorization of 100. See. Now 2 50s are 100, again 2 25s are 50, then 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. So what do we get here? You see, 2 into 2, which is 2 square, 5 into 5, which is 5 square. So what do we get here? X square is equal to 2 square into 5 square. Now throughout we see that the powers are same, so we can delete the powers. So we get x is equal to 2 into 5, which is equal to 10. That is x is equal to 10. Am I clear? Yes. Now coming to the third part. Now here you see in the third part, this is the base. So here base is given 15 centimeter. This is the perpendicular. Perpendicular is given 8 centimeters, and this is the hypotenuse. So h is given x. Now according to Pythagoras property, we know that h square is equal to p square plus b square. Now what is h square here? That is h is x, so this becomes x square, and p is what here? 8. So p square will be 8 square. B is 15, b square will be 15 square. Now 8 square is what? 64. 15 square is what? 225. And when you add 64 and 225, you get 289, right? So x square is 289. Now when you take the prime factorization of this 289, let us take the prime factorization of 289. It goes by 17. 17 17s are 289, and 17 1s are 17. So here what do you observe? that we have two 17s here, means 17 into 17, which is equal to 17 square. So x square will be equal to 17 square. Now powers are same, so we delete the powers, we get x is equal to 17. Understood? Now we come to the fourth part. Here in this right angle triangle, P is 7, B is 24 and H is X. Now according to Pythagoras property, H square is equal to P square plus B square. Now H is X, so H square will be X square. P is 7, so P square will be 7 square. B is 24, so B square will be 24 square. Now X square is equal to 7 square is 49 and 24 square is 576. Now when you add 49 and 576, you get 625. So X square is 625. Now take the prime factorization of 625. So what do you get? Let us see. 5 ones are 5, 1 remainder, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25. Now again 5 twos are 10, 2 remainder, 5 fives are 25. Again 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5. Now what do you see? 5 into 5, 5 into 5. Means this is 5 into 5 is 5 square, 5 into 5 is 5 square. So instead of 625, we can write down 5 square into 5 square, which is equal to x square. And when we know that if the powers are same, we delete the powers. So this becomes x is equal to 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. So here the value of x is 25. Understood? Now we come to the fifth part. In this, it is given that it's an isosceles triangle and this is perpendicular. The angle formed here is 90 degree. And this is given 37, this is given 12. Now this is right angle, so side opposite to it will be hypotenuse. This will be perpendicular and this will be base. So let us name this triangle as ABC. Alright. Now and this point as D. So here AC is 37 and this is our hypotenuse. And here AD is 12, which is our perpendicular, and DC is what? Base, or we say that this is X, right? Now according to Pythagoras property, H square is equal to P square plus B square. Now here H is what? 37. So in place of H square we can write down 37 square, and P is 12, so we can, in place of P square we can write down 12 square, and B is X, so instead of B square we can write down X square. This DC is X actually. Okay, now 37 square is 1369 and 12 square is 144. 12 square matlab 12 into 12 and 37 square matlab 37 into 37. Okay, and this is X square. Now we have to find the value of X square, so we have to shift this 144 this side. So it becomes 1369 minus 144 is equal to X square. Side changes, sign changes. Okay, 1369 minus 144 karoge to you get 1225, which is equal to X square. Now let us take the prime factorization of 1225. So let's start with 5. 5 2s are 10, 2 remainder, 5 4s are 20, 2 remainder, 5 5s are 25. Okay, now again goes by 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45. Now 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So what do you observe here? You have 5 into 5, that is 5 square. 7 into 7, that is 7 square. So instead of 1225 we can write down 5 square into 7 square is equal to X square. Now powers are same, the powers will be omitted. So this will become 5 into 7 is equal to x, or the value of x is equal to 35. Is this clear? So we have calculated this much length. Okay. But we have to find BC. Alright. We have only calculated DC. Now also we see that this is an isosceles triangle. So if this is 37, this is 37. Okay. Now see here. When you had taken triangle ADC, 37 was hypotenuse and perpendicular was 12. Now when you take triangle ADB, again you will have hypotenuse 37 and perpendicular 12. So when you calculate BD, it will also come same only, that is 35. So directly you can write down in triangle ADB, similarly we get BD is equal to 35. Alright. But what we have to find out? We have to find out BC. What is BC? BC is equal to BD plus DC. DC. So BC is equal to what? BD plus DC. BD कितना है? BD 35 है और DC भी 35 है. So 35 plus 35, which is equal to 70. So this is the length of BC. Alright. And sixth part of the question is wrong. So we will not do that question. Right. Now we will start exercise 6.5. Okay. Now in exercise 6.5, let us begin with question number 1. It is given PQR is a triangle right angled at P. It is right angled at P. So I have drawn the figure here. PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. It is right angled at P. Now we name the other two vertices as Q and R. Now it is given PQ is equal to 10 centimeters. So we write here PQ is 10 centimeters. PR is given how much? It is given 24 centimeters. Alright. Now let this RQ be X. Now according to Pythagoras property, x square is equal to 24 square plus 10 square. 24 square plus 10 square. Now 24 square is what? 576. And 10 square is what? 100. 576 plus 100 is 676. Okay. Now let us take the prime factorization of 676. 2 3s are 6. Again 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 9s are 18. Now 13 13s are 169. Again 13 1s are 13. So what do you observe here? 2 into 2 is 2 square and 13 into 13 is 13 square. So in place of 676 we can write down 2 square into 13 square, which is equal to x square. Now powers are same. You can delete the powers. So x is equal to 2 into 13. This is not there. So you get x is equal to 2 into 13 is 26. It means the length of the hypotenuse is 26 centimeters. Hypotenuse is 26 centimeters. Alright. Now coming to the second question. It is ABC is a triangle right angled at C. So you make a right angled triangle and it is right angled at C means you write C here where right angle is formed, and here A and B. Right. Now what is AB? AB is given 25 centimeters and AC is given 7 centimeters. We have to find out BC. Let us assume this as X. So according to Pythagoras property, hypotenuse square is perpendicular square plus base square, which is equal to 25 square is equal to x square plus 7 square. ठीक है? So 25 square is 25 into 25, which is 625. X square, 7 square is 49. Now 49 comes this side, so it becomes 625 minus 49 is equal to x square. When you subtract 625 and 49, you get 576, which is equal to x square. The prime factorization of 576 goes by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, again 2 8s are 16, goes by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, again goes by 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, again goes by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, again goes by 2, 2 18s are 36, again goes by 2, 2 9s are 18, goes by 3, 3 3s are 9, again goes by 3, 3 1s are 3. Now let us see how many pairs are found here. 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 2 into 2. So this 2 into 2 means 2 square, this 2 into 2 means again 2 square, this 2 into 2 means again 2 square, and this 3 into 3 means again 3 square. This is equal to x square. Now powers are same, you delete the powers. So you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the value of x here is 24. Okay, it means the length of the perpendicular is 24. Alright. So with this we finish here. From tomorrow we shall start with question number 3. Okay.